I'm so excited. I have another segment of sanity saving organization and storage. So stick around, I'm gonna show you how I put this whole thing together. This is my bit drawer. Driver bits and drill bits. So these top two tiers slide, giving me access to the back, to the front, to the center, and these are like so I can grab and go if I need to. So I have complete access, but if I want to see everything at once, these are easily removed. It's awesome. I love being able to come here and grab exactly what I need. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. What is that? Oh.